Well, it's that time of year, and I'm going to try incubating some chicken eggs. I pieced this together with a mix of a few different parts. The vent here on the end, made by Mozex from Thingiverse. Thanks for that. I got a heating element inside that's controlled by this Digispark here with this relay, and a servo that controls the vent. So far, it's been able to hold at 38 degrees Celsius and around 53% average humidity, which is about what I'm looking for, so it should do the job. Inside here, we got the DHT11 sensor sitting on top of my heat element, which is just some eBay heat element you're supposed to put in shoes or clothes, I guess. Seems to work good for this. I also got the probe for the thermometer and a sponge to, add a little bit of humidity to the whole environment. The fan's currently not spinning as it seems to pump too much air out even with the vent closed, so I'm going to leave that off for now. It doesn't seem to be an issue. And other than playing around for about a day and a half with the code, there's not a whole lot to this thing, and basically it seems to work pretty good. So I'm going to go grab some eggs and see what happens. Okay, I'm going to fight my way in there. It's okay, buddy. We're not going to fight. You're going to let me in? You're going to be nice today? Well, you can see she's all dirty, so he's been riding her around. Okay, I'll grab it. Flanked. Is this okay? Can I go in here? I see 2 eggs. Oh crap! I feel like I need a rodeo clown in here. Yeah, but you're distracted.
Well, I gotta get all stuff.
Mad that it's muddy? I'm sorry, it's raining.
You don't like that? You don't like that. Because he's gonna do it.
As he slides down. Was that fun? I gotta fix that. And we're free. Alright, so after fighting Rusty, I got 2 eggs. Now, she wasn't sitting on them, so I don't know what kind of effect that'll have. Here's hoping. I'm going to put them both in here, right in the middle. I'm going to come in here and turn them around periodically because I don't have an auto turner. And we'll see what happens. Alright, we're up to temperature. Seems like the humidity's up. Oh, there we go, back on. And it'll cycle back and forth like this for a while. Well, that's pretty much it anyways. I guess I'll be back in about 21 days to see if I get anything.